Hi, Colin. I just want to show you that you still have plagiarism in this summary response assignment. I'm going to click on this 27% here. And remember that plagiarism, most strictly defined, is 3 words in a row, the same as the original. And so, like, for instance, right here, a process in which the nucleus of an atom, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words. And then that's okay. It's the same. Those are the same words too. That's in quotation marks. That's okay. That's in quotation marks. But down here, here's more. And that's basically like that's more than 9 words. And here too, when it's spotty like that, I just figure it's really from here to here. And what you have to do is you have to restructure the sentence and pick a new subject when you paraphrase. So. Article goes into detail about the extraction process. Hold on, Tay. Okay, so you pick a new. You have to rearrange the sentence. So you might say, the article goes into detail about how seawater can be broken down into its components and. Or something like that. If you see what I mean, you have to restructure the sentence. That's how you avoid plagiarism. And same here, and same here. And the reason I'm making this video, and same down here, like basically, like this, all these sentences have to be restructured to avoid this problem. And the reason it's so important is I'm worried that you're going to replicate those in your essays. Down here is fine because it's in quotation marks.